Bank of Baroda technical officer, civil engineer. We are discussing the last video also. Now we will discuss the step by step the role and responsibility as per the advertisement. In the role and responsibility, they are started with oversees all construction, renovation, and maintenance related work of building. So, step by step, all the points we will explain subsequently. So, let us begin. For role and responsibility, they have started the point that oversees all construction, renovation, and maintenance. And the overseas doesn't mean to just to supervise. You are a technical officer. You don't need to go for directly only to the supervision. Okay, technical officer generally monitor or control. You generally person CPM person CPM part will be important for you. Okay, the person CPM. These two part will come into the picture. So which one is activity based, which is critical path method. So event, okay, time oriented, event oriented, this kind of MCQ will get. Means out of this CPM and part, which one is the time activity, which is time based, which is cost based. CPM is cost based. Okay, so this kind of is important for you. The cost, progress, safety, compliance. Compliance means what are the basic requirement, like whether you have the site clearance, means forest clearance is there, whether you have this administrative clearance, whether you have the administrative clearance in terms of the financial, in terms of the administrative, means what, how many story building you're looking for, whether it's a G+7 building you're looking for, G+5, other requirement, whether this is service building infrastructure, what is this is only for the data storage they are using this platform or this building. This detail we also need to consider. Then whether it's a quarter or the office or the building for new branches. Okay, so detailed drawing, now this is a down, now the point is come to the detailed drawings. In drawings we know now RPF, okay, representative factor, RF. So these are the things, and estimate, while estimating which DSR will follow. DSR we generally follow. DSR means daily schedule rate. So in DSR there is a term called cost index. Cost index is very state to state. If you are posted in New Delhi, in that case, or if you are posted in the Hyderabad, which cost index you will use, how the cost index is calculating, this parameter they will give. If you have any query, just let me know. This parameter they will give, and you have to find out the cost index. So then after calculating details, you have to multiply the entire amount with the cost index to convert the DSR into your local, means your Hyderabad, your Gujarat based rate. Okay, then you have to monitor this, means as per the time schedule you have a program that yes, on the December 2026 my project will be completed. Whether it is on the track, how will you ensure it? Through your benchmark in the point of view of the person CPU. Okay, then measurement and the subsequently verification. Somehow means how you are going to measure, go to the size and this kind of thing. I hope you know it because you have already 2 years of experience. Then come the point of renovation. Okay, means like waterproofing, toilets, or any additional work you're looking for. This kind of also come into the picture. It might be possible that this is your branch, this is the means branch manager office. Then additional you are looking, they are looking for a partition. Okay, there will be a door. So this kind of scenarios also coming into the picture. On that time of view, how you are going to implement things, what are the basic BOQ items, whether if it is a partition, whether there will be glass or not, whether what kind of board you are going to use, whether there will be AC. If there is AC, then non-moisturized board will be used. This will be coming into the picture. If there is a water issue, water seepage issue, as rainy season, if there is a rain or seepage from your roof, what kind of items are there? There are 5 One is called 5 layer system, another is 7 layer. In case of 7 layer, we are generally use PPP sheet is generally used. This item is also available in the DSR. Okay, then the plumbing is there, means you may need for the carpentry work is there. How you are going to measure that? This is one of the important questions several PUC Bianchi generally asks. In case of any wooden work, what is the minimum, okay, minimum unit to be measured? Point 2 mm. 0.2 means 2 mm. There, look, minimum you have to measure 2 mm. And the basic steps are there, like plan, then tender, then execution, then measure, and then pay. Okay, so these are the basic fundamental step. This chart or this plan, this flow chart is also important. This one is 1, this one is 2. These two questions is generally asked in general all type of PSUs, specifically in the bank also. On the next video we will discuss the next role and responsibility as a technical officer in any PSU banks. Okay.